XCN holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, for showing so much love over the past few updates. And as I've said, continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. But let's really take a look at what's happening with Onyxcoin right now, in terms of the price. What are some next price targets to be looking out for? Go doing technical analysis day by day. And like I said, you won't miss any of these updates if you are supporting, commenting, and subscribing. But looking across the board today, guys, we are seeing quite a bit of red yet again. What have we been speaking over the last few days? As far as the broader market is concerned, I take a look at the broader market every single day, and I'm trying to tell you guys that even though we had seen that bounce yesterday, I said, I'm not buying it just yet because FOMC meeting starts today, and obviously it goes till tomorrow. We could hear a lot of things that can impact the market, and market is already reacting in a way. And as far as DeepSeek's launch, which of course wiped out a lot of gains from the stock market, specifically for AI projects or AI companies, of course that had an impact on Bitcoin as well. So that DeepSeek situation is not out of the blue just yet, and of course that's also something that we need to factor in when you are analyzing the crypto markets. But XCN right now down 22.7%, so quite a large pullback. Like I said, the broader market is down, but if you're looking at the price right now, 2.76 cents. So if you were to round it up, almost 2.8 cents, down 20%, guys, in all three comparatives right now. So whether you're looking at it on the USD side, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, every single comparative, it's down right now. Market valuation dropped below $1 billion, currently sitting at $871 million, and the 24-hour trading volume has decreased substantially, currently sitting at only $571.1 million. And again, as you guys know, I keep it 100% unbiased, and these are things that you need to keep in mind. And right now, exactly what we've been discussing over the last few days is really playing out. And when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But remember, lock those profits in when you see them. It's so important. Don't listen to some random troll online that's saying, it's bad to lock in profits. Absolutely not. If your gut says that, hey, you know what, this money that I'm seeing in my portfolio is too much that I cannot afford to lose, that is the biggest sign for yourself to take some, money off the table. Trust me, I've been in this space for 8 years. I've made massive amounts of mistakes. One big thing that I can tell you guys is to never go against your gut. So if your gut says, hey, you know what, this is too much money that I cannot afford to lose, don't listen to the comments, take those profits. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it's doing exactly what we've been discussing, currently sitting at 59.52%. So as dominance increases and Bitcoin sees retracement, what's going to happen with the altcoin market? The altcoin market is going to retrace, and that's exactly what you can see right now, pretty much sums it up. But let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin. So here, exactly my overall, scenario is playing out. So, of course, we made our way up to $103,000. I said, of course, the over leveraged positions, this is where the whales can come out and shake out the, over leveraged positions. And that's exactly what's happening. If you're looking at the leverage positions right now, they're getting wrecked, and you are seeing the price making its way back down. Right now, we're holding around the $100,000 price point. Extremely important, of course, psychological price point. If this does not hold, we could make our way back down to the likes of 97,000. And again, we spoke about this yesterday, and that's still on the table. And with the dominance sitting the way it is, and even if it's able to pop out and reach out to the November highs, this could cause the altcoin market specifically to go down more in the upcoming days. And that's something I want you guys to be aware of. But let's take a look at what's happening with XCN, because of course that's what everyone wants to know right now. So of course, this right here is the daily time frame. You can't really see anything on the daily time frame, so I want you guys to take a look at it on the hourly time frame for XCN. One thing I spoke to you guys about yesterday is, a project like this, or any project in general, when it sees explosive moves like this, you want the project to find a ground for itself. And right now, you're starting to see the importance of finding a ground for itself. Right now, one thing I'll give it is that, that support, which I spoke to you guys about yesterday, is pretty much hanging, as a major support. We've been kind of being supported by here a few times, about the 2.6 cents level. You are starting to see a little bit of sideways momentum, and that's, if you are an XCN holder, you want this to happen. You want to see this. I know not a lot of people like seeing this. People want to see these explosive moves straight in one line, but no, you want to see this happen and trade sideways, because guess what, when we do see a breakout and the price retrace, this exact same level is going to be playing as a major level of support for XEN. But with that said, let's really take a look at what we're looking at over the past few hours. So of course, a sharp drop since then. The price did retest that 4 cents price point. We haven't filled that wick in yet. Usually wicks do fill in, based off of what I have seen in the past. But you are seeing sideways momentum still happening, at that support, which we discussed literally yesterday. Again, not bad. Like I said, the support needs to hold. If it doesn't, I hate to say it, the price of XCN could even fall down to the 1.8 cents mark, because remember, this project does not have significant amount of support from the previous cycle. And what I mean by that is, let me show you guys this. Let's go back down memory lane. Here we are. This thing, launched at not a best time, because, bear market started around this range, and it just pretty much went down and down and down and down and down since then. So not significant amount of support. And of course, now, as the project is trying to recover, make its way back towards the upside, more people are speculating, of course. Guess what? You need to find the project kind of consolidating. Consolidation is good. Consolidation is needed. And right now you are seeing, that support from the 24th playing out for the price of XEN. So, nice sideways momentum. In order for us to, break out, obviously you need to be above that 3.3 cents mark. That's the confirmation I see for myself. If that's able to break out, I think 4 cents could be filled in quite fast, in my opinion, based off of what we've seen, based off of how it's still currently holding. Yes, the volume is lower compared to the past few days, and in terms of speculation about new exchanges, it has kind of slowed down, but let's see what happens. In terms of exchanges, though, it's not like some of these other projects on the market that, don't have these major exchange listings already. It's listed on Coinbase, guys. One of the biggest fiat gateways, Kraken also, again, one of the biggest fiat gateways for a lot of retail investors. So in terms of, people that have done the due diligence research and want exposure, it's not that you can't gain access to this coin. You can gain access to this coin on some of these big centralized exchanges, but in terms of Binance, which a lot of people are excited about, obviously we need to hear Binance announce it, and as of now that has not been the case. So right now, obviously, people are more looking at this project in terms of an ROI perspective. That's what I see based off of what I'm looking at and what I'm reading from, investors speculating, that this project could, do quite big numbers based off of, the nature of it, the layer 2 perspective, to battle it out with the other layer 2s. And you guys know layer 2s and layer 1s, are quite bullish and, have been over the last, few years as well. So, based off of that, a lot of speculation happening. But as I said to you guys before, still you need to see this project finding a ground for itself. Because I hate to say it, if market, just pulls back down below the 97K mark and the dominance shoots up to a new yearly high, XEN could see sharp drops yet again. But what I have seen from XTN right now is, and basing it off of the previous dips, the dips do get bought back quicker. And again, there does come a time where, the steam kind of slows down. Is it just something that whales are doing? Again, we don't know. Again, that's the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis. But right now, holding pretty much at 3 cents. Not bad. It's not bad in my opinion. But again, I want you guys to be careful as to, what's really happening. In terms of burn right now, I think obviously they have, planned a major burn, which of course would be good. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Yes, I know a lot of people are, bullish on Onyxcoin's future because, the project has been pumping out a lot of, bullish stuff. But one thing I always try to teach you guys is, remember, kind of go backtrack. What I mean by that is, and again, I don't own any Onyxcoin, right? I've said this to you guys and I keep it 100% unbiased with you guys on this. I've said to you guys in the past on my other updates, not just Onyxcoin, whenever you want to really see how serious of a project it is, you want to go back, go in the bear market zone, go in a bear market zone and see what Onyxcoin was really doing. Were they really innovating? I know they had that rebranding that happened from Chain to Onyxcoin, but kind of go backtrack and see what's really happening with Onyxcoin. Were they building? Were they really, making, major steps towards, what they say they would? If so, then yeah, great, kudos to them. But if they've been quite stagnant in a bear market and all of a sudden as the market is booming, as they have a lot of eyes on the project itself, and now they're, pumping out tweets after tweets, good stuff, that brings a lot of eyes. We need to remember, in a bull market, all projects are, trying to be the best project out there. But in the bear market, market, the ones that are still building are the ones that you want to be paying attention to, in my opinion, based off of what I've seen in the past. But let me know down below what you guys think. So far, so good, not bad. You want to see where the price is holding, continue to hold around this range. But like I said, you need to factor in a lot of other things. Bitcoin needs to be on your radar as well as the dominance. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.